Choosing the best general aviation aircraft to own depends on various factors such as budget, intended use, performance requirements, and personal preferences. Here are some popular general aviation aircraft across different categories. Single-engine piston aircraft. 1. Cessna 172 Skyhawk. Reliable, easy to fly, and widely used for training. Seating: 4 cruise speed, 120 knots range, 640 nautical miles. 2. Piper PA-28 Cherokee. Versatile, good for training and personal use. Seating: 4 cruise speed, 120 knots range, 550 nautical miles. 3. Cirrus SR22 High performance, advanced avionics, and safety features like the parachute system. Seating: 4 to 5 cruise speed, 180 knots range, 1000 nautical miles. Light sport aircraft, LSA-1. CubCrafters Carbon Cub. Modern take on classic design, great for bush flying and short takeoff/landing. Seating: 2 cruise speed, 120 knots range, 800 nautical miles. 2. Icon A5 Amphibious, easy to fly, and great for recreational flying. Seating: 2 cruise speed, 95 knots range, 450 nautical miles. Twin-engine piston aircraft. 1. Beechcraft Baron 58 High performance, comfortable, and good range. Seating: 6 cruise speed, 200 knots range, 1000 nautical miles. 2. Piper PA-44 Seminole. Popular for multi-engine training, reliable. Seating: 4 cruise speed, 160 knots range, 700 nautical miles. Turboprop aircraft. 1. Pilatus PC-12 Versatile, capable of short field operations, luxurious cabin. Seating: 6 to 9 cruise speed, 270 knots range, 1,800 nautical miles. 2. Cessna 208 Caravan. Robust, good for cargo and passenger operations, reliable. Seating: 9 to 14 cruise speed, 170 knots range, 1,200 nautical miles. Very light jets, VLJs. 1. Cirrus Vision SF-50 Personal jet, easy to operate, advanced safety features. Seating: 5 to 7 cruise speed, 300 knots range, 1,200 nautical miles. 2. Honda Jet HA420 Advanced design, efficient, and luxurious. Seating: 4 to 6 cruise speed, 420 knots range, 1,400 nautical miles. When considering purchasing an aircraft, it's important to factor in the cost of ownership, including maintenance, hangar fees, insurance, and fuel. Each aircraft has its strengths and is well regarded in its category, so the best choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences.